Welcome to Aspire Fin Solutions. Now we are representing first part of series Leaders of Tomorrow. As we all know, today Indian and global markets are under pressure due to virus pandemic. In current situation, considering long-term investment targets, we need to accumulate quality stocks with good fundamentals. We need to focus on companies with good business application diversity. One of the good quality stock which may become leader of tomorrow is from chemical sector and name of stock is Deepak Nitrite. In long-term technical chart of Deepak Nitrite, we can see in year 2012 the stock was trading between 14 to 20 rupees. However, right now the stock is above 450. Now let's see company information and its business. First of all, products. What company is selling? In this list, acetone, detergents, dyes and pigments, paper, pharmaceutical intermediates, rubber, water treatment, and many more we can see. Phenol is used in plywood and laminate industries, agrochemical industries, pharma industries. Acetone is used in pharma sector as a solvent. Also, 2-MePPDA is used in hair dyes products. In customer list, we can see some bigger names like Unilever, Reliance Industries Limited, Huntsman, Lonza, Lubrizol, etc. Company is having total 5 manufacturing plants, 2 in Gujarat, 2 in Maharashtra, 1 in Hyderabad, and they are also having one class R&D center. Company is also accredited with Responsible Care Certification for Global Environment, Safety, Health Management based on the principles of responsible chemistry. Business of company is divided in 3 categories: basic chemicals, fine and specialty chemicals, performance products. 29% business is for performance products, 42% business is for basic chemicals, and another 29% business is for fine and specialty chemicals. The manufacturing plant commissioned in year 2018-19 is aligned with India's journey to become self-reliant in chemical intermediates and reduce import dependence. Board of company is having aggressive targets for growth, and as of now, most of the targets are achieved. About financials, company is having good year-to-year percentage growth in their income, EBITDA, profit before tax. So let's have a look for previous 10 years. Except year 2015-16 and 16-17, for rest of the years we can see very good growth on year-to-year basis. If we see for 2017-18, there was year-to-year growth of 12.56% in total income. However, in year 2018-19, year-to-year growth is 20.38%. EBITDA is increasing continuously. Let's have a look in profit after taxation. You can see constant growth in profits. I think this financial performance is sufficient to understand that company is performing very well from last 10 years. Let's have a look of balance sheet on moneycontrol.com. I want to say there are some liabilities as well for this company. So we have to check these liabilities as well quarter to quarter basis. As of now, the liabilities are reducing and it's a good sign that liabilities are getting reduced. So our financial conclusion about Deepak Nitrite is EBITDA, profit before tax and profit after tax is improving significantly quarter to quarter and year to year basis. Now let's have a look in weak points. First one is volatility in raw materials. The entire chemical industry is impacted by volatility in prices of raw materials, as this is directly linked to the prices of end products and comprises of a major component in the chemical process. Second, Lack of alternative energy sources. As non-conventional energy is presently unfeasible and alternative fuels are having several limitations, this lack of alternative energy sources is significant factor to consider. Third one is currency fluctuations. Fluctuation in exchange rates is a regular operating risk for chemical industries as they are importing a lot of materials from foreign country. However, in recent years, the degree of volatility has sharpened and the company has to guard itself against sudden adverse movements. Let's have a look in shareholding pattern and mutual fund holding. Promoters are having approximately 45% shares. FII and FVI they are having 10.73% shares as of June 2009 and total DIR shares are approximately 24.82%. Franklin India, SBI, these are the top mutual fund companies investing in Deepak Nitrite. Now, conclusion. For a company like Deepak Nitrite, which is into chemical intermediate sector, the opportunity stands accentuated as its products support a wide range of industries. Second, healthy and constant financial performance. Third one, continuous improvement in quality and always they are trying to launch new products. Fourth, companies having global presence and they are meeting the demands of global customers, which is beneficial for long-term strategy. Those who are holding this stock, they can stay invested, and those who are looking to invest in this Deepak Nitrite share, they can consult their financial advisor for right entry point, do your technical analysis based on the charts and news, and then decide the entry point. However, we recommend the investment period should be more than 2 years to get best returns. Thank you for watching. Click on subscribe button and stay tuned with Aspire Fin Solutions for getting latest research reports and latest news updates on each market share.